What is up, guys? In the next few videos we're going to be going over the object-oriented programming side of C++, so let's get started immediately with creating our first class. And in general, a class is considered to be a blueprint for whatever you're making. So if you're making a car, you have the blueprint for the car. You know, it has tires, it has a window, it has mirrors, it has an engine, and so on. So the class is just what the car is made of and what it can do. So for this example, we're going to create something called a YouTuber. So as you can see, to create a class, all you have to do is type in class, followed by the class name. The naming convention is to have an uppercase letter at the beginning, and then all we have to do is create a block. Inside here, we're going to provide a public access modifier, which allows it to be accessed from essentially anywhere, and we'll be going over what this is later. And the first thing we're going to do is provide a few attributes. What is a YouTuber? What does a YouTuber have? So the first thing we're going to type is string username, because every YouTuber has a username. And we're also going to provide a subscriber count, so subscribers. So far so good. We have a class named YouTuber, and we define that each YouTuber has a username and subscribers. Now let's go ahead and create an object of this YouTuber. So to create an object, you just need to refer to the class and give it any name you like. For my example, I will type in CodePalace, and now let's go ahead and edit the attributes so we can use them later. Now if we go ahead and type in CodePalace, you'll notice that we can access these attributes just by using the dot notation. So we're going to set the subscribers to 100, and let's also go ahead and set the username to CodePalace. Now we can go ahead and output it. So CodePalace dot username has CodePalace subscribers, and we are going to add the end line. Now if we go ahead and run this, you're going to notice it's going to say CodePalace has 100 subscribers, because we were able to access this object and use the values that we've inserted there. And the great thing about this is that we can just go ahead and copy this, place it right under object number 2, and this time we're going to change it to coding in flow. It's going to have 1000 subscribers, and we're going to change the username to coding in flow. We also need to make sure to change this to coding in flow. Then we will duplicate the print statement and change this also to coding in flow. So as you noticed, it was very easy to create a second object, and as these classes become more complex, you'll notice that this will save us a lot of time with execution and with writing code. So let's go ahead and run this part. Now you'll notice that coding in flow has 1000 subscribers and CodePalace has 100 subscribers. And it was that easy to create a class that controlled what it has and what it does. So we don't have to think about rewriting this each time and trying to remember what a YouTuber is made out of. So the whole point of the class is just to create an outline of what you're making so that you can simplify recreating that later. But I believe that's actually all I wanted to cover in the first video regarding classes and object-oriented programming. In the next video, we're going to be going over how to handle methods that are part of classes. But with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.